In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expand folders in Wrike. When you're working in Wrike, your folders hold all of your projects, tasks, and subfolders. Being able to quickly expand and collapse these folders is really important for staying organized and navigating your workspace efficiently. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to expand a folder, what to look for on the screen, and a few simple tips to make it feel natural as you work. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike account and looking at the main workspace, where you can see your folder structure on the left-hand side of the screen. This area is often called the navigation panel or folder tree. Here, you'll see your main folders listed, and some of them may already have subfolders or projects inside. Next, locate the folder you want to expand. You'll notice that each folder name has a small arrow icon right beside it, usually on the left. This little arrow is the control you'll use to expand or collapse the folder. If the arrow is pointing to the right, that means the folder is currently collapsed and its contents are hidden. To expand the folder, simply move your mouse over to that small arrow and click it